Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on the Introduction to Color Theory. I will be explaining various strategies, tips, and tricks that will help you understand color theory better. Firstly, let us begin with understanding the basics of color theory. Color theory is a set of principles used to understand the relationships and interactions between colors. It involves understanding the color wheel, which is a visual representation of the primary, secondary, and intermediate colors. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and they cannot be created by mixing other colors. Secondary colors are green, orange, and purple, which are created by mixing two primary colors. And then we have intermediate colors, which are created by mixing a primary and a secondary color. Now let's talk about color schemes. These are combinations of colors that work well together and create a pleasing visual effect. Some popular color schemes are monochromatic, where you use varying shades of one color; analogous, where you use colors that are next to each other on the color wheel; and complementary, where you use colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel. When using color in your artwork, it is important to consider the mood and emotion you want to convey. Warm colors like red, orange, and yellow are associated with energy and passion, while cool colors like green, blue, and purple are associated with calmness and relaxation. Lastly, it is crucial to understand how to mix colors properly. Mixing colors can be done by combining primary colors, but it is important to remember that too much of one color can overpower the others. Start with a small amount of each color and slowly add more until you achieve the desired hue. To sum it up, understanding color theory is essential for any artist. By knowing the basics of the color wheel, color schemes, and color mixing, you can create visually appealing and emotionally impactful artwork. All right, and that is a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep on crafting.